A 9 to 5 job, morning shifts, night shifts, 3 different schedules. Can you really combine that with trading? Let's talk about whether and how you can actually transition from a regular job to full-time trading. Because trust me, it's not as simple as most people think. Expectations versus reality. A lot of people imagine trading as this easy, dreamlike job you can do from a laptop on the beach. Sounds nice, right? But here's the truth. Trading is still work. It requires focus, analysis, discipline, and a lot of persistence. It's not get rich quick, it's get consistent slowly. If you are not ready to treat trading like a real job with structure and responsibility, then it won't treat you like a real source of income. Why do you want to quit your job? Let's be honest, most people want to leave their job because they are frustrated. Lack of recognition, toxic environment, no fulfillment. But escaping something isn't the same as building something better. Trading won't fix your life if your main motivation is to run away from your job. It's like a gym. You can't expect one workout to change your life. You build it step by step with a process and patience, expectations and time. Learning trading doesn't happen in a week or month. It usually takes at least a year of consistent effort. During that time, you study, you backtest, you gain experience and you track your results. Don't quit your job until you have verified performance. Make decisions based on data, not hope. Proven results. Before you even think about full-time trading, you need one solid year of verified results. Trading isn't luck. It's numbers, patterns, and probabilities. If your results are consistent and your system is tested, great, you have clear step 1. Condition 2, financial stability. You need to know you can't trade effectively under financial pressure. If you are living off savings and praying your trade starts paying the bills, that's a recipe for stress and mistakes. Pressure kills focus. It's smarter to prepare properly, build a safety net, have income from another source, and give yourself breathing room. Third thing, structure. You don't need to stare at charts for 8 or 10 hours a day. Most traders are efficient for maybe 3 or 4 hours, and that's perfectly fine. Use the rest of your time for other projects, learning or something that recharges you. Remember, overtrading leads to errors and emotional decisions. Trading is mental work, not just manual labor. You can't just push through. Practical approach. So here's the smarter plan. Start small, 1 or 2 hours a day consistently. Test your strategy. Keep improving and track your performance. Once you have a proven system, results and financial safety, then consider going full-time. And even then, diversify. Combine trading with other income streams, so you are not fully dependent on one thing. Trust me, I went through this myself. I took risks, I made mistakes, and I learned a lot along the way. Today, I still trade, but also I run other projects. And honestly, that balance gives me more peace and better results. It's not only trading anymore, it's building a lifestyle where trading is part of something bigger. So yes, it is possible to go full-time in trading, but do it wisely, calmly, and without blind optimism. Build the foundation first and success will follow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, because I got more videos coming to help you grow as a trader. I see you in the next one.